Welcome back to another exploration of science and philosophy. So far, we've looked at the mysteries of the cosmos, time, quantum physics, and life itself. But today, we'll turn to something closer to home, a force already reshaping our world: artificial intelligence. In this episode, we'll ask three big questions. Can AI ever become truly conscious? Will AI surpass humanity in intelligence? And what are the risks and promises of this new era? Let's begin with the deepest question. Could a machine ever be self-aware? Part 1. Can AI ever become truly conscious? We already have AI that can recognize faces, write text, create art, even mimic human conversation. But does that mean it's conscious? Consciousness is more than processing information. It's about having an inner experience, the sense of being. When you feel pain or joy or the color red, there's a what it is like quality to that experience. You might ask, could a machine ever have that? Some scientists argue yes. If the brain is a biological machine, then in principle, a computer could replicate it. If we simulate neurons in enough detail, maybe awareness would emerge. Others disagree. They say consciousness might depend on biology, not computation. A perfect simulation of a storm won't get you wet, so maybe a perfect simulation of the brain won't produce awareness. For now, AI shows intelligence without inner life, what philosophers call a zombie. But the mystery remains. If we don't even know why we are conscious, how can we know whether a machine could be? And that leads to the next question. Even without consciousness, could AI become more intelligent than us? Part 2. Will AI surpass humanity? Artificial intelligence already beats humans at chess, Go, and countless other tasks. It can analyze data faster than any brain. But will it surpass us in general intelligence, the ability to think flexibly across any problem? This idea is called superintelligence. If achieved, AI could outthink us in science, technology, and strategy. It might design medicines, build spacecraft, or even improve itself at a speed no human can match. You might ask, if that happens, what role is left for us? Some imagine a future where humans merge with AI, enhancing ourselves through brain-computer interfaces. Others imagine AI taking over decision-making, leaving us powerless. The key question is not if AI will surpass us, but how we will live with it. And that leads us to the final issue, the risks and promises of AI. Part 3. The risks and promises of AI. Artificial intelligence is a tool, but it's also a force we may not fully control. On the positive side, AI could cure diseases, fight climate change, and unlock technologies we can't yet imagine. It could help us build a fairer, smarter world. But there are risks. AI could be misused for surveillance, manipulation, or warfare. Unchecked automation could deepen inequality. And a truly autonomous superintelligence might not share human values, creating outcomes we can't predict. You might ask, so will AI bring utopia or dystopia? The truth is, it depends on us. The choices we make today about ethics, safety, and responsibility will shape what AI becomes tomorrow. AI is not destiny. It's a mirror of humanity. If we build it with wisdom, it could be our greatest ally. If we don't, it could be our downfall. Outro. So today we explored three questions about artificial intelligence. Could machines ever be truly conscious? We don't yet know. Will AI surpass us? Possibly, and soon. What are the risks and promises? Everything from utopia to collapse. AI may be humanity's most powerful invention or our last. But perhaps the real challenge is not whether machines can think, but whether we can think clearly enough to guide them. Because in the end, the future of AI is also the future of us.